Here's how to use the tile map. First of all, controls A to rotate like this, S to rotate like this, D to rotate that. Holding control and scrolling up changes the layer, and let's try to make a room. So I can choose a grid view or a list view. I'll choose a list view. Then let's check, select floor. Then we can just drag. As you can see, here's a room, floor, and then we can select a wall. But as you can see, there's a problem. To fix that, you hold control and scroll up. And then drag. Alright, once the walls are added, time to add corners. Select corner. And replace it with the walls. The mesh removes itself and places the correct one once you left click. Pressing S again rotates it. And time to add the last bits here. First, choose ceiling to cover this bit. Then select ceiling corner to cover the edge bits. The difference between ceiling and corner is that small corner here, because the walls surround it. And there you go, we have a room.